Want to jazz up your PDF with a photo, like a logo or picture, without any fancy tools? You're in the right place. Welcome to Passionate About Tech. I'm excited to show you how to add an image to a PDF using the PDFgear app, a free tool for Mac and Windows. Let's dive in and make your PDFs stand out. First, let's get the PDFgear app. Head to pdfgear.com, link in the description. Click Download and pick the version for your computer, Windows or Mac. Download the installer, open it, and follow the setup steps. Once installed, open the app. You'll see a clean interface ready to open PDFs. If you're enjoying this, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for Passionate About Tech. I'm aiming for 1,000 subscribers, and your support means the world. Let's keep going! And click Open File from the home screen. Browse to your desktop, select File1.pdf, and click Open. Click the Edit tab at the top. Select Add Image from the toolbar. A file picker pops up. Choose a photo from your desktop. Click Open, then drag the image onto the PDF. Place it next to the text. Resize it by dragging the corners if needed. You can adjust the position to fit perfectly. Awesome for personalizing your doc. Once your image is set, click Save As in the top left. Name it and save it to your desktop. Open the new file to check it out. Double-click it. This trick works great for adding logos or photos to any PDF. That's it though, to add an image in a PDF in 2025. Now your PDFs can shine with pictures. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech. I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers. Drop a comment. What image will you add next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more tech tips. Keep creating and have fun.